Today in this video I'm going to unbox Airtel My Wi-Fi. So without wasting time, let's see its unboxing. After that we will see its feature. So let's start with unboxing. And these are the features: Airtel 4G LTE Hotspot BMF 422, portable Wi-Fi Datacard Black, connect up to 10 devices, no installation is required. 4G Hotspot offers up to 6 hours of uninterrupted internet with powerful battery. It supports 4G LTE speed up to 150 Mbps. Also connected with computer using USB cable. Memory capacity is 32 GB with SMS support. The box contains Wi-Fi hotspot, USB cable, battery, user manual. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.